It's the best that you can get on the market. However, none of those features mean a damn thing unless it's been given the proper instructions. What's going on, family? It's your man, Jeff Kilgore, back again. You already know how we do with business and mind all intertwined. And today we're going to discuss how self-discipline intensifies the law of attraction. You ready? Come on, let's talk about it. Now, right off the top, I'm going to answer that question as to why self-discipline intensifies the law of attraction. And then we're going to kind of reverse engineer it, and I'm going to explain to you why that is, okay? So the reason why self-discipline intensifies the law of attraction is this. Self-discipline increases and intensifies your belief system, okay? Self-discipline increases and intensifies your personal belief system. So any limiting beliefs, any beliefs that aren't up to par, self-discipline contributes to increasing those beliefs and intensifies your entire belief system. Now, let's talk about how this is possible. When you exercise self-discipline consistently, what you're doing is you are telling your subconscious mind that, hey, even though you're controlling 95% of my daily activity, even though you are controlling 95% of my everyday behavior, even though you're quote unquote running the show, you are still only operating based on the information that I feed to you. You're still only operating based on the information that I allow to be fed to you. So in other words, I am still in control. You only get what I allow you to have, subconscious mind. I know you think you're running the show, which you are 95% of the time. However, you're only operating based on the information that I feed to you and that I allow to be fed to you. So even though your subconscious mind, yes, is running 95% of your daily activities, it's only going based off of what information you have fed into it, what information you have allowed to enter into your subconscious and be fed into it. This is something that you are in control of. So yes, the subconscious mind runs 95%. However, it's only going off of the things that you allow and the things that you feed into it. So yes, you are in control. This is where self-discipline becomes key. It's like having the best, most strongest, powerful computer that you can get. I mean, this computer has it all. It has the most gigs. It has the most RAM. It has the fastest processor, the best graphics card, the most memory, all of that. It's the best that you can get on the market. However, none of those features mean a damn thing unless it's been given the proper instructions. If this computer, which is the most strongest, powerful, beautiful looking computer, if it has not been given the proper instructions, then it's just sitting there as this beautiful, powerful machine that's not doing nowhere near what it's capable of because it has not been given the proper programming, the proper instructions. Let me say that again. If this beautiful, powerful computer has not been given the proper instructions, the proper programming, then it's just sitting there as this beautiful, powerful machine that's not doing nowhere near what it's capable of doing. What I just described is you without self-discipline. Without self-discipline, you are this beautiful, powerful, living being that's not doing nowhere near what it's capable of doing because it has not been given the proper instructions. It has not been fed the proper programming. You're sitting there looking good. You're sitting there looking like $1,000,000, but not doing anywhere near what you're capable of doing because of what you're allowing to be fed into your subconscious, because what you are consciously feeding into your subconscious. You haven't given your subconscious the proper instructions to use all of that power, to use all of that capability that you naturally have, that God has given us. You aren't using it because you aren't feeding the programming, the right instructions to your subconscious, which again is controlling 95% of your daily habits. So it's not a lost cause. You know, sometimes we hear, well, your subconscious is controlling 95% of your day, so it's in control. Yes, this is true, but it's only operating off of what you feed it and what you allow it to be fed. So you are still in control. You can control how this 95% operates based on what you feed into your subconscious mind. Now, this is where self-discipline comes in, because self-discipline, again, increases and intensifies your belief system. So by operating and using self-discipline, you can help control what's going into that 95% that's happening every day. So because I know what you're thinking. So Jeff, how do I increase my self-discipline? How do I take control of my life? How do I take control of what I'm allowing into my subconscious mind? I mean, I think I've tried everything. I think I've been doing, everything that I know how to do. How can I take control of what I'm allowing to be programmed into my subconscious mind? I'm glad you asked. But the way that you can control, now, depending on what your goals are and what it is that you want to do, start off with something small. Now, I know you wanted to hear this quick solution. You wanted to hear, boom, do this and everything changes. It is possible. What I'm getting ready to tell you, it is possible for everything to change just like that, because some of us are right on the edge of breakthrough. Some of us are right on the edge of changing the way our subconscious mind operates. Some of us are right there, and we're right at the tipping point, and we just need that push, and self-discipline will give you that push. But depending on what it is, whatever your goals are, start with something small. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to lose weight. You need to lose 20, 30, 40 pounds, whatever. And so you've been researching, you've been looking online, and you've learned how to count calories and your carbs and all of this stuff and workout routines and what to do and all of that, right? But you can't bring yourself to have enough self-discipline to stick with a program and stay with it long enough for it to work. So what you need to do is start off small. Get up every morning for the next 30 to 90 days, right? Because you need time to program your subconscious mind. For the next 30 days, get up and go for a walk. Doesn't have to be a mile. Doesn't even have to be a half a mile. It can be around your block. It can be down your street and back. The key is to get up and do this every day. Now, will doing this every day make you lose the 30, 40 pounds? Probably not. But it will contribute to the cause. It will contribute. You'll be better off than when you started, right? However, what you're doing is training your subconscious that this is what we do every morning. You're letting your subconscious mind know that I'm in control of this. This is what I'm doing towards my goal. Now, once you've done that for between 30 to 90 days, you'll know it. You'll feel it once you've reprogrammed your subconscious mind, because it'll become natural. It'll become one of those habits that you don't even think about. You don't even have to pump yourself up. You don't have to use grit and willpower to do this every morning. You just get up and do it. Once that happens, you have successfully reprogrammed your subconscious mind in that area. What this does is reiterate and remind the subconscious mind that, hey, I run this. I'm in control of this. You're operating, you're handling 95% of my daily activities, but those daily activities are based on what I tell you to do. what I told you that we do every day. And from now on, part of that 95% is we get up and we go for a walk every day. You've successfully reprogrammed that part of your subconscious mind. Once you've done that, your subconscious mind will begin to give you ideas and ways that you can turn it up a notch so that you can reach that goal of the 30 to 40 pounds that you want to lose. Your subconscious mind will begin to show you opportunities and programs and things that you can do to turn that walk up a notch. Maybe now you go ahead and get that gym membership. Now, maybe now you go ahead and do that program that you've been wanting to do, and you're able to stick to it because now you've reiterated to your subconscious mind that, hey, I run the show and this is what we do and we're going to hit this goal. Now, what if your goal is to make more money? Again, I know you want that quick solution and it could happen quickly. However, you're going to have to start off small to impress upon your subconscious mind the habits that you want it to have. Now, whatever it is that you do for money right now, whatever your job is, however you're getting income right now, commit for 30 days to doing it the best that you've ever done it. I mean, go at it hard. Go at it like you've never gone at it before. I mean, go at it the best that you're able to. Not frantically and killing yourself and you know, working crazy overtime. Just at the times that you're working, do it the best. Give it your all, because truth be told, you know you haven't been giving it your best. You know you haven't given it your all. Give it your all. Give it everything you've got for 30 days and watch how the opportunities for more money start to come into your life. Because what you're doing is you're putting the frequency and vibration out to the universe, as well as letting your subconscious mind know that I am more valuable than the amount of income I've been receiving. I'm giving out more value than what I've been receiving. This is why the law of attraction kicks in at this point, because it's a law. It has to happen. If you're giving more value, then the amount of compensation that you receive has to rise up to that level. And most of the time, the law of attraction exceeds that and gives you more than the value that you put out. Now, because your subconscious mind saw that this is what's working, then you continue to up your level, the value. You up the value that you're giving out, that you're serving to people, that you're giving to people. And the law of attraction sees that and says, nah, you're not gonna beat me. And this process continues on, and next thing you know, you're at a level that you never thought that you would be at. This is how self-discipline intensifies the law of attraction. Did you get any value out of that? I hope you did. And if so, you know how I say, squeeze that like button. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff, especially subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you can get every video that I upload. Now, I've committed to upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday this year, so I don't miss a beat, and you don't miss a beat, and we can keep each other in check. And if you're still rocking with me at this point, you already know. I appreciate you. Let's go.